I'm thinking I should put a little bit more bacon in there. Um, but since I'm not sure if I have any more, I don't want to be too greedy. And I'm thinking I could take out some ribs. I could take out some ribs and heat up some ribs to go with it. And I don't think I need a carb. I don't actually think I need a carb. Not right now. Nope, not right now. You hear that bubble up? Ah, yes. It's a terrible habit. I forgot to turn off the video. I like to wash 3 dishes every chance I can. I had so much energy today. I made me a cup of coffee and I put maybe a scoop of protein in it because I saw a video yesterday and protein. I think was it protein being used? I think it was protein or chocolate with protein, something like that. Um, I forgot, but if you want to see it, I'll find it and link and let me know. So I made some coffee with some protein, and I was up for the day. And then when I got a little tired, I put some string beans on and ate some of the pasta, and I was good. I was actually good. So what I'm gonna Oh, I forgot. Oh, sorry. So what I'm gonna do is probably cut up some onion and then oh man, cut up some onions so I can make some onions with my thing. I'm gonna put some onions with my string beans. Just drop them in there, let them get soft. Just let it get soft. That's all. You know what I mean? Ooh, I like when it gets like that. Ooh, that was almost my finger, boys and girls. You see that? Y'all would have saw me already cry. Y'all know I'm a big old crybaby. Mm-mm. I don't usually use this knife. I want this to take a slow and steady cook. Slow and steady. I think I'm going to turn it up a little bit. I really don't want to because I want the bacon to get inside of there with the little spices I put in there. I don't necessarily want it to take my liquids away. What's the matter? You want me? You checking on me? I look like I need help? um, this is absolutely perfected. So, what I'm going to do now is give myself a little bit to taste. But I'm in the middle of doing some great cards. I have a card to make for someone, and I'm going to show him the card. A few of them, let him choose, but he wanted inside greeting and all that, so I got to make sure. Ooh, Lord. No, you can't have none. I don't know. I think string beans gave me energy today. I think I like string beans now. Wow, you hear that? I'm going to unplug my pan, and all I'm going to do is heat up some ribs to go with it, and that's my dinner. But at 10:42 p.m., I'm not ready for dinner. I gotta finish these cards, but I'm about to say something I had no right to say. But girls, y'all better leave me alone.